Bushcraft boy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a cheap multi-fuel camping stove. Stay tuned. Welcome back. To those of you who saw my last video, you'll remember that I was going to make a video about building an ammo tin stove. Sadly, a combination of homework, weather and metalwork skills have delayed this project slightly. So today I thought I'd show you the unboxing and review of a multi-fuel stove. And this is it. It's the BRS12A stove. You'll probably find it under a few different names as well. The simple reason for that is that this is just a cheap, generic Chinese stove. As seems to be quite common with a lot of these Chinese products, what they do is make the same product for different companies. Then each one puts their own branding on the box if they can be bothered. But no matter which version you buy, you still get the same stove. And if you think from looking at the picture on the side of the box that you recognise this stove design, there's a very good reason. It looks incredibly similar to the Coleman multi-fuel stoves. Now obviously I won't allege that this is a copy which ignores international patent rules, but I'll let you draw your own conclusions. So how is this different from the Coleman stoves? Well, the price. This cheap Chinese stove is often found for about half the price of the Coleman. So let's open up the box and see if it's actually any good. Inside we have the bag that everything comes in. Inside the box you'll immediately see the top of the stove and, if I turn it round, the rubber funnel. When you get the stove out, you'll see that it has 4 folding legs that you can just pull out. No, sorry, 3, not 4. Then you've got 4 little extension things for stoves and pots on top. And then further inside the bag, you've got a replacement funnel. But you don't have a multi-tool. Apart from missing parts, is this any good? The simple answer is no, it's junk. Why do I say this? Well, no matter which fuel we used, we couldn't get it to burn properly. First we tried with Coleman's own white gas, a liquid made by Coleman for this type of stove. No matter what Dad did, he could not get it to burn properly. Dad's been using this type of stove for more than 30 years, so he understands how to preheat the stove before lighting it and adjust the fuel and tank pressure. Despite doing all that, it would only burn with a bright yellow flame and started to leave sooty deposits. Thinking that it might be caused by dust in the pipes and the lines from the manufacturing process, Dad gave the whole stove a full clean. Nothing changed. It still refused to burn properly. It wasn't giving out enough heat and was burning the fuel inefficiently. So he drained it, cleaned it and tried with unadded petrol. Same problem. Paraffin or kerosene, if you're American, was even worse. The vapours coming from that were almost overpowering. The flame was a dull yellow and the stove got covered in soot in no time. So is this Coleman look-alike worth it? Quite simply no. It's just another bit of mass-produced junk. You may be lucky and get one that works, in which case you have bought a bargain. But then you need to ask yourself, how easy will it be to get spare parts in the future? At the moment you can get parts on AliExpress. How much longer they stay available though is anyone's guess. I know I often show you bargain products that are cheaper than the big brand names, but in this case don't try to save a few pounds. Bin this junk and buy a Coleman. I'm Bushcraft Boy, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye!